Manipur Government Service Federation (MGSF) and Manipur State Pensioners Union have jointly appealed to the public to extend support in the nationwide general strike, which is being organized to protest against anti-worker, anti-farmer, and anti-national pro-corporate policies of the central government. Addressing media persons at Tangjing Hall, Manipur Press Club, MGSF President Laishram Sarat informed that the general strike would also be observed in Manipur to demand scrapping of new pension scheme and restoration of old pension scheme, regularization of contract employees, provision of health insurance benefits, implementation of 8th Central Pay Commission, and release of pending dearness allowances and traveling allowances.
However, chahi kharasida lisang sina consistently thabak toriba karmachari ki against the interest of the karmachari sakar sigi policy mayam ama mase ekoi point of view ki sakar ne adopt toriba chathariba policy mayam ji ekoi ki neoliberal policies haire ekoi mase it favors the corporates aduga big businessmen adugumba yam favor to adugumba par sakar ki policy kaino amakak ekoi na ubani common demands for all India. Bharat Pumbagi demand mayam mama. Aduga state specific demand mayam so. Aday day state mayam so. Nung thabak lepsun napsun nung mayam se. Raja iliam awabu vista. Ekoi na all India ki kano ekoi na hajagre. Ekoi di thabak moti lepjar roy. Ado demand jadi karmachari singi maru itu demand itu maram na. Thabak moti ekoi lepjar roy ke. Ekoi symbolic protest na ekoi hayeng se ekoi tawjagani haibu demand man ekoi support to we have ekoi symbolic protest ekoi tawjagani na ekoi all India ge ekoi gi Economic Subject Federation gi ekoi na ayab tawjare.
Coordinating body of Trade Union Manipur has appealed to the general public to extend full support to the nationwide general strike called by various central trade unions across the country. Addressing the media, Convener Kitrimayum Santa stated that the general strike is being launched to oppose broader resistance against policies that undermine public sector.
Manipur hi awilaiba film sida koi shanti porna ba normal sejal adu yawiba adi nation highway da chatpa yadi ba kotiba masida restriction lai masida phunam da bi yawiba Manipur prajabiyam ya akoina to isi ada yam ko sei maman hengat lakwa GST hapse lakwa madu handana ba yawi adna general people gi yeng ne koi to adna akoina to dori ba da bi singi da koi new insurance policy escape to view adu all pension scheme han gi sanana ba all pension scheme madu sanan dimar di hoji ano ba sina ko myam da yang wana re ba adu mo yawi adema na koi minimum wage se akoi tha ma da lising daruka chamapan dara pibiu adagi pension se akoi loina makta akoi 9000 je minimum pibiu ha bi akoi dabi yawi bai di scheme worker gi hairo ma hairo adagi contractual worker scheme workers ki makoi da honorarium je lupa lising pibiu lising ni pibiu ahum pibiu yawi ba moi dabi ni tawri